Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the scope, who will learn and what they must master. Once that's clear, draft a table of contents and write the first 2 chapter skeletons. Make sure to create learning objectives for every lesson and attach 0. 5 one-page notes explaining why each objective matters. You should collect source material and confirm copyright or open license status now. This prevents rework later. Finally, set a simple schedule for draft reviews so momentum begins immediately. Now you expand each skeleton into full lessons, write explanations, add worked examples, and include exercises that build skills progressively. You should craft quizzes and rubrics aligned to objectives. Formative checks let you adapt pacing. Once done, integrate visuals, charts, diagrams, and photos, and provide alt text for accessibility. Make sure to version assets and keep a clear naming convention so collaborators can find files. Throughout, iterate, review a chapter, implement feedback, and then move to the next. Finish with a rigorous copy edit and lay out the book for chosen formats, PDF, EPUB, or responsive HTML, and assign an ISBN or internal identifier. Pilot the material with a small class and collect structured feedback to create an errata list. Once published, monitor reports for broken links, formatting inconsistencies, or accessibility gaps. Prioritize fixes that block learning. If problems persist, roll back to the last stable version, apply targeted corrections, and re-release an updated build with clear change notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.